Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I have another Poundland haul. You will have seen, oh my god, there's so much down here. You'll have seen all the pots behind me as well, so my apologies, but they're drying and that's the way it goes. Right, everything's a mess in our house because we're moving, so you're just going to get weird backgrounds all the time. I'm so sorry. So I just wanted to go through everything I bought from Poundland. Most of it's £1. Some of it is £2. So I'm going to put this on my lap or near to my lap or wherever. And I'll just go through everything. Let me just sit back a little bit. Right, okay. The first things that are in here are these good hair day shower caps. They're £1 for 2 shower caps. Now, a little tip, and this is from my lovely grandma Zena. She doesn't use these for shower caps, and I probably won't either, because I'm going to do exactly what she does, which is she takes these plastic shower caps and puts them over like things in the fridge because they're elasticated. So she'll put them over like a bowl in the fridge or over a trifle or something. They're like really good reusable plastic things. They have a bit of a waft actually, so it might be worth giving them a little bit of a clean first. But it's funny because this one's got like fruit on it and the other one has cake on it. So it's weird that they've got they're really good for keeping things protected in your garden as well if you're having a barbecue. Just to put over like the salad. She usually puts it over the salad bowl. So this is the one with cakes on. As you can see, they have got a really strong smell. So it might be worth giving them, a bit of a hand wash. Make sure that they're, clean and don't smell. But, my wife thought it was the most brilliant thing that she'd ever seen. And I saw these plastic ones with fruit and cake on. I mean, come on, they couldn't be more applicable if they tried. I thought I'd buy 2 for £1 each. So I've got 4 altogether, and so you've got some reusable food covers rather than hair caps. So if you see them, they're a good buy. Oh, now I can't get them back in because I'm not folding them properly. Oh, we'll sort that out later. Anyway, speaking of hair, everybody's been going mad over this ginger conditioner and the banana conditioner and the shampoo as well, but these are curly girl friendly. Now, if you don't know what the curly girl method, if you're new to my channel or you've not got curly hair, you can see I have this curly mop on top. I've actually just got it up because I went swimming yesterday. Curly hair, the curly girl method is using conditioner to wash your hair. You do a final wash with a sulfate-free shampoo, and there's a number of them that you can use. And then forevermore, I have been, I use this ginger, I use certain types of what is wrong with me? Certain types of conditioner. What's amazing about this? Right, so these are really thick, first of all, and they smell delicious. But why they're approved for curly girl is they do not have damaging alcohols. They don't have any silicons. They don't have sulfates. I mean, most conditioners don't have sulfates because obviously sulfates is what makes it lather. In here, there's very little in here by way of ingredients, actually, not as much as most. So I got 2 of the banana. They're £1 each, and you get 400 ml, so a really good size. Can't open it now. Oh god, it smells like synthetic banana. Why can't I speak today? They smell like synthetic banana. Do you know the foam banana sweets? That's what it smells like. But I think my hair really attaches itself to smell. So I think this is going to be amazing. And the ginger one is really invigorating. Yeah, there's something really nice about that. It is gingery, but it's got it definitely smells of ginger. But it's really invigorating. So I'm going to give these a go. What I thought they'd be good for, in fact, I use a Garnier almond one, which is minimum I can find it for is £2. Mainly it's about £4. So I bought these for when I go swimming. So I like to, on dry hair, before I get in the pool, lather my hair in conditioner and put it in a ponytail. So if it gets wet, then it's still got conditioner on it protecting it. And then when I get into the shower afterwards, I can literally just rinse my hair through and the conditioner just comes out and make sure that there's no horrible bits in it. So I got 2 of those and 2 of the banana. That's 4. I'm going to be using this for life, I think. The other thing I found for swimming for me and Claire, this is the Let's Flamingo limited edition imperial leather pink, lychee and raspberry. It's a shower gel, but this smells bloody awesome. Oh, it smells so good. That is probably my favourite smell of all time. It smells delicious. I actually could eat it. If it was in a sweet, I'd be well happy. But I bought this just to go in our swimming bag because we've got enough at home. But this will be just a keep for the swimming. Gosh, what else did I get? Yes, I got for Claire and I, we're having a little bit of a pamper session hopefully soon because we've been very, very stressed with the move. There's still a long way to go. So I've been buying stuff for us to have a pamper session. So before you will have seen, I bought some foot packs. I've also bought some anti-aging collagen hydrogel eye patches. You get 4 pairs in here. So that would be great for me and Claire. And that I also bought these anti-aging collagen woven face masks for Claire and I to try. These are the number 6 range. What's up, Roops? Oh, bless him. He's a bit stressed because we're looking after my sister-in-law's dog at the minute, so it's stressing him out. I get it. I also bought a large nail polish remover because we keep losing it. I don't know where it is. So I bought a new one because, well, we just keep losing it. I don't know why, but for £1 for a massive one. And this is a really good one. It's not acetone free, but I don't care. I just want to get it off. I just want to get, look at my nails. They look dreadful. They're all broken, all because of the whole move thing. Pain in the arse. And then I got these as well, which are the clip-on. These are great if you use false nails or gel polish, but they're also really good if you use glitter polish. If anybody is a fan of glitter polish but doesn't like taking it off, if you put these, get some cotton wool, douse it in that acetone nail polish remover, pop it around your finger and then pop one of these on your finger, then I'll just show you. I think they're all the same size. Yeah, they are. But they're like little pegs. Ow! Oh, God. Not doing very well. Right, okay, let me show you. They look like little prawns tails, look. So basically, they're grippy like this. So you wrap that around your finger and then pop that on and it will hold it on for you. Which is brilliant because I used to use tinfoil and it took forever. So just popping this on, excellent. I mean, you're going to look a bit silly, but maybe you do just one nail with glitter, so you'll only have to use it once. I just think they're really good for a pack of £10. What a bargain. Oh yes, staying on beauty. I picked up a Pro Liquid liner. I haven't used this before. I just needed one. I've lost all of mine. Or they may have even dried out. So I love these little dip pots, you know, with a really fine brush at the end. So I'm going to give this a go, see if it's any good, and I will report back. And then I was going to buy this before, but I didn't. And now I've thought about it and I've slept on it and I really wanted it. So this is the Hydra Formula Softening Hand Cream. It's just a little tiny pot like this. It smells delicious. It smells so nice, really like fresh. And I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. So, oh, it is lovely. It's it's so nice. There you go. Fragranced with extracts of sea salt, seaweed and algae. Yeah. Oh, God. It absorbs really quickly. I love that. And it's cruelty-free and vegan. So for all you vegans out there, that's what this is. That's good. I don't know if this is cruelty-free. This conditioner doesn't say. So just be warned if you're looking for that. It would say if it wasn't. I bought an ice cream scoop. Not because I like ice cream. My friend, to budget, buys a load of potatoes, like a sack of spuds. and she freezes a lot of stuff, and mashed potato frozen is absolutely fine. So she makes a giant mashed potato, vat of mashed potato, and then she uses an ice cream scoop to scoop it out and put it into a Ziploc bag or into little portions. Well, actually a Ziploc bag, like quite a lot of them. So then each of these is like a portion. If you're doing any sort of dieting, one scoop is probably like at 1 point or whatever. It depends how you mash it. But it's such a clever idea, because then you can just, for however much you want, you just pull out a few of the ready-made scoops and put them in the microwave, and they taste delicious. They still taste the same. You haven't got that weird flavour. So it's one of the ones that's got that little metal thing that slides it out easily. So really good for that. I know a lot of people use it for cake batter as well, but personally, I'll be using it for mashed potato because I love mashed potato more than cake. Another pound item, and this is this absolutely ginormous stain removing carpet and sofa foam. Now we've got leather sofas, and we are going to have hard floors, but we downstairs, but upstairs we're going to have a brand new carpet, and I really want to make sure that it stays stain free. And this was £1 for this, and I've heard really, really good things about this, by the way. So I mean, it's called Zazouche by Zanto. Yeah, it's meant to be really good for stains, so I'm going to keep that as a must have. And then I bought this little what's it called, plant pot stand, and I'm going to do a DIY with this. I've bought some other bits and bobs, you can probably hear them. But I'm going to do a DIY with this for the new house. I'm not going to keep it black. I suppose that's a little bit of a spoiler. But yeah, there's not a lot you can do with it. But I have got some ideas. So I'm going to put them into practice, and I will share them. I don't know how I'm going to film DIYs at the moment, guys, because I'm using my phone. So I know I've got my own camera, but I haven't used it for a while. I just find a phone is so much easier. For £1 each, I also bought these blue gloss spray paints. I bought some orange ones recently as well in this 151. £1 for spray paint. I mean, that's amazing. I'm hoping it's this lovely colour because it matches our kitchen. So I also bought some copper spray paint from Aldi the other day, like metallic copper, which also matches our kitchen. So, ooh, there might be some good things coming up. Let me know if there's anything you want to see. And then the final thing, I have already bought these in different colours, but they're £2 each. So this is the only thing that's £2, but that's because they are pretty big. So I bought these 2 chalk white, chalk finish furniture spray paints. Now, I don't know whether they're good or not. I've bought the antique white, which is like almost like a creamy colour. I've got this whitish colour. I've got a sage green colour. And I've got 3 of the others each, or 4. I can't remember. And then I've also got this winter grey colour. I've bought them because I just thought it'd be really interesting to give them a go. And, you know, for small things, I bet they're really, really good. So I've got some really good ideas coming up. So I'm going to keep these to do some DIYs once we've moved into the house. I know Claire's going to go absolutely ballistic when she sees what I've bought. But, you know, some of these things, when they're in Poundland, you've got to bloody pounce on them because otherwise they go. So, yeah, I had to pick those up. So that is my Poundland haul. Let me know if you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you have picked anything up that I should look for. And, you know, I always love going in there. So any excuse, let me know and I will find them. If you've ever found any amazing paints like this, but in gold, I actually picked them up from the online pound store. So I should be okay, actually. I've got about 6 cans for £6. But I'd like a really metallic finish. That's a bit more matte gold. Well, satin gold. So yeah, let me know. I'd really like to know. Thanks so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.